What's up, everybody? I'm at the gas station right now, currently getting gas, parked, and I just wanted to make this quick video to talk about my awesome headlights. So, let's get to it. Cue the intro. All right, so here they are. These are my headlights. There's two separate systems. I have a Morimoto XBT for all of the outputs here for the projectors. So each projector plus everything down here. That's one controller. Then my other controller is a Bluetooth Flow Series DRL with turn signals. Those control the halos. And that's it. So I have two separate systems, and together they make this awesome layout you see right here. Now the other parts of this is my projector lens has a red painted projector. I actually have a plotter, so I was able to cut that out. And if you're wondering what these shrouds are, these are turbine shrouds. I have 4 equal sized turbine shrouds. The high lens, I do not need an adapter for, but for this Acme projector up here, I do. So let me do some clarification once I stop pumping gas here. Putting $57 in, so one second. Most times when people retrofit headlights, they're going to cut the shroud to make them fit inside the headlight. I did the opposite. I cut my headlights so the shrouds could fit. That's why my headlights look like that. They look like the eyes from the Iron Giant. So one of the big reasons why I decided to do it that way is because it's fully custom. So I was able to basically make something one-off, which is also a downside because that means if I ever want to do it again, I got to do all that work again. And it was about 30 hours of work, 35 hours. And then I had to open them back up because my shrouds fell out. But that's another story. Let's get back to what's in this whole build. Right here, this is a Retrofit Source profile strip. This is the longest strip that they have, which is a 18-inch or a 22-inch strip. But pretty much this is that strip. In here, the reason why it's glowing up there is because the strip follows up. The strip follows up there. In here, it's just an RGB bulb. And basically, I had to wire in some things to make that work. But that doesn't completely go white. But this does. Everything else goes white. This bulb just goes like a light blue. Up next, we have the high lens projector. That's the one that looks like the Q45 projector right here. And then this is, of course, the turbine shroud. And then behind it is Lighting Trend's Flow Series halos. And then, of course, here we are with a regular D2S Acme projector, which is really inexpensive. And then to top it all off, I cut the actual headlight to make sure they both could fit in there. Now, this is really a dope setup, and I hope you all learned something from that. Putting a price tag on these headlights is really hard because of all the custom work that was done to it, which is why it's so unattainable to even get it this way. You spend like $2,000 to do this. 35 hours, think about that. That's 35 hours on top of all the parts. So right now, this is almost $1,000 in parts, plus the fact that I got to do labor on them, and I wired everything in as well. So I'd say anywhere from, if you want to do this without all the custom work and everything like that, you're going to end up spending around $900 to get this done. DIY, of course. So you can watch the other videos and see how I did it, and then you could just copy that, or you could just finesse it and make it your own way. The halos are 110 millimeter, the halos that are behind the projectors. And then the I also have demonized in both the high lens and the projector. So the demonized, you can buy the high lens without the demonized, or you can buy the high lens projector with a demon eye already in it. And then I had to buy another demon eye for the top projector. So there's a lot that goes into it, and I want to show you this because this is the other part. My setup is also wired to switchbacks and, you know, turn signals and things like that. So I'm going to turn my hazards on so you can see that. Notice this top one here still changing colors, because that's the demon eye, which does not function as a switchback, but everything else is. And that's a whole nother set of wiring. All of these are wired together, so that's why they're functioning as a signal light too. But yeah, I have a signal light, I have switchbacks, I have it all. But yeah, thank you all for watching that video. I hope it's informative. I hope it really showed you all something about what it takes to build these lights. 35 hours, roughly $900 to $1,200 in parts. And then you still have to have the knowledge to wire it all up and get it done. So yeah, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Hey, y'all make sure y'all keep God first, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.